How can you stay nimble with your content strategy so you're always adapting and finding what truly resonates with potential buyers? Today, in the final step of the 8-step content marketing strategy kit, we're going to be talking about how to experiment with your content, how to measure it, and how to continuously adjust your strategy. Okay, let's go into the instructions and worksheet for step 8. If you haven't downloaded the instructions and worksheets yet, you can get them for free as part of the kit at Contentr.ca. Just sign up, it's completely free. Okay, there's a number of tasks here for experiment, measure, and adjust. You need to set clear success metrics to start out, whether it's website visits, leads generated, engagement rate, shares. As long as you have very clear success metrics and the results you want to see, incredibly important. The next is something that a lot of people miss, is to run small experiments. Create content similar to the tone and style that already resonates with your audiences, and you know that because of the research that you've already done. Adjusting the content you've seen and the types of content you're seeing to your own personality. Change one variable at a time. Try different types of video styles, headlines, images, or even posting times. Track your results consistently. Use analytics tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email platform metrics. Identify your top performers. Which content pieces got the most engagement or conversions? Which channels brought in the most relevant audience? Then look for patterns. Do certain topics, formats, or posting times consistently do better? Are you reaching your intended audience segments? Incredibly important. You did all that work to identify your audience. Are you actually reaching them? Is it resonating with the people that you need it to resonate with, your potential clients? And then as you put together all that information, you need to continuously refine your strategy, not only to find the right content that resonates with your audiences, but also the platforms keep on changing. The environment keeps on changing. Social media keeps on changing. So you'll need to keep up your strategy to change with it. Okay, let's look at the worksheet for step 8. This one was filled out by WakeHR Solutions, the employee benefits and wellness solutions provider. The first key task here was to choose 2 to 3 key metrics tied directly to your goals. Number 1 they picked was increase qualified inbound demo requests from HR decision makers by 20%. Number 2 is improve engagement rate on social media thought leadership posts. And 3, increase downloads of the employee well-being playbook lead magnet guide. The first experiments they're going to try is experiment 1, test short under 150 words versus longer 300 to 400 word LinkedIn post about mental health ROI for organizations. Incredibly important topic, that mental health ROI. For experiment 2, they're running A/B creative tests on short videos for LinkedIn, Reels, YouTube, comparing data-driven ROI messaging with employee story messaging to see which drives more demo requests. And experiment 3, test gated versus ungated formats for the employee well-being playbook to measure whether lead capture friction reduces qualified lead volume. So how does WakeHR plan on tracking results? Through their CRM, through social analytics from LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and from Google Analytics. Okay, let's look at what's working and not working for WakeHR. Obviously, this is after they've been doing it for some time. What's working for them are practical insight-based videos on workplace wellness ROI and real employee success stories with measurable outcomes. What's not working is posts that sound like internal HR communications because they don't actually engage the decision makers, the people making the purchase decision, and product-centric language because it reduces their perceived credibility and engagement. Congratulations, you've now completed the final step in the 8-step content marketing strategy kit. You've learned how to identify your content goals, your audience's needs, and how you can use your expertise to meet those needs through your content. And now you know how to find your audience's media habits and how to create content for a buyer journey and a content calendar. And finally, you've learned how to experiment with your content, how to measure it, and how to continuously adapt it to find what truly resonates with your potential clients. I hope you've enjoyed this 8-step content marketing strategy kit and mini course as much as I've enjoyed delivering it. For more content and media insights, check out Contentr.ca or email me at gregory.bish@contentr.ca if you have any questions at all. Talk to you soon.